Zoomed in completely on my face.
There you go.
Yes, you got the 17. Try that shit. Oh, it's funny.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you making today?
Some cake.
What are you making?
A cake.
Okay. That's a good. You just need to get some elbow grease. Just blend it.
Why? It's always like that.
Lentils.
Can they hear us?
Yeah. Hello.
What's up?
What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with Maisie to bake some cakes in a bit more of a professional way.
Than last time.
But we've not even got like the
We don't
cases,
have the case.
the right sugar, but we're just gonna wing it.
Or the blender, so we
Yeah.
just got a hand mix
Got a few
everything.
things. You got like a spatula, a little wooden spoon, a little whisk.
In all fairness, we don't know what we're doing, so
No, I've got a thing on there.
cute.
Where's my phone gone? Where's it?
Bruh.
So we need 113 grams of unsalted butter.
Okay. Let me just get the butter out.
Ha 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 ha.
Lol.
Stork. Stork. Preheat the oven to 160.
Sift the flour with the
Salt
salt.
and bacon.
I can't find it. This is meant to
This like
well.
image of him like playing with the blanket and then the blanket just falling.
Why are you getting angry? Because I'm not a bit of Erica by my seed. Seed? By my seed!
A little bit of Erica!
Okay, how much flour do we need?
Right.
There's a little.
175 grams.
Pack it in.
Nice!
175. Oop. Okay. What do we need? A spoon.
Some grams, isn't it?
Sí.
Something's happened.
Sí, certo. I don't want those. Can you stop being a naughty cat, please?
No.
She's trying to get into the biscuit. No, you're naughty.
111. Oh.
Ding 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 ding.
It's changing. Watch it.
Yeah, I know. Just
Bowl
Yeah.
number 2! I caught it like
I'll
that.
let you insert.
Ding 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 ding. Diddly! 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 Did it!
Right. Okay.
100 grams.
1 LLG. Lumpy bumpy. Squeeze.
We used to put some baking powder in that flour as well.
Got that glottal stuff there. Glottal. Glottal. Glottal.
Baking powder. 1.5 teaspoons.
Baking
Gotta put it in
soda.
there.
I got baking soda.
Shall I start creaming this?
Cream it, yeah.
Creamy dream.
Oh.
Cool beans.
Too cool for school. Do you think if I put this, it would like do some weird scientific reaction?
I don't really want the house to boil up. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time. Scraping the sides of the bowl often. So it doesn't say to whisk the eggs.
Just one egg?
I think it's 2. Let's have a look. 2. Nice. Oh,
Ooh.
it just went in your slipper.
Oh, great. Thanks. Thanks, Ams.
Next, add cream and flour mix in 3 batches. So we've got to mix the cream into there.
How much do we need of that?
We need
Candles.
half a cup.
That's what you get!
Ugh. You mix it. Who needs the gym when you can bake?
And then get fat by eating all of the stuff that you made.
Smells like milky flour. Someone's dog
I think
gone.
someone's dog's ran off.
What's it called?
No, that's actually scary.
What's it called? Bisbee?
Something like that. Misby. Thought he was saying Maisie. I was like,
Maisie!
Maisie!
Maisie! Maisie! Yeah. Yeah. Look at these 2.
I'm scared of the camera.
Ooh. Gloopy brown stuff. Right, so we have to add like a bit in at a time of that to here.
From this to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 goes, it says. So. Oh.
I hope that poor man found his dog. He
Oh god, no, but it's that big main road.
looked really frightened though, like he was fully...
Because it's like, cars go well fast on that as
Yeah,
well.
no, it's scary. Have you seen that vine where it's like, do you pee your pants? And she's like, sometimes.
Oh, yeah. 18 to 20 minutes, this is. Look at a spoon.
Oh, sorry. Oh, friend.
To be fair, like, I'm not a massive pizza fan anyway. Like,
My granddad just turned in his grave. Right, so we stick them in.
right, these have got to bake.
Delightful.
18 minutes!
I'm Maisie Brennan, and today we're going to make
Liquid ass. In the woods. Into the woods we go! What's it doing now?
it's upside down.
With a little bit of ice cream. It'll be lovely with some ice cream. Oh, vanilla. Oh, raspberry maple. Neapolitan. Milk chocolate.
Don't know any other ice cream flavors.
Double chocolate. Oreo. Peanut butter.
They look like dead people, so don't expect anything.
They look like shriveled corpses.
That sounded like a sheep.
It was. What you do? What you do? We're making cakes.
Hello.
My mom
okay?
is coming. Good.
Ew, look at it.
Really a bit chewy.
It's like a pancake. Look at it, watch it.
It is literally a pancake.
It's literally a Halloween cake, that's what it is.
Oh my god, it's like...
It looks like feces. For the decoration.
Happy Halloween. Bye.
Peace out. Bye.
Yes.
Ew. That is
It's like a pancake.
disgusting.
Ew, it's actually raw. Like.
What is that? Some chalky bit. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Felicia. Bye.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
The cat's actually eating it.
The floor loved it.
Oh,